This video will show you how to replace the air filter on a Chrysler Town Country. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the air filter housing along the passenger side of your engine compartment. We can see our washer fluid reservoir, our power steering reservoir, and the air filter housing. To remove the air filter, we're going to have to separate the upper housing from the lower housing. Along the front, you're going to find that you have two small locking tabs. Take hold of those, pull them forward, and lift up on the upper housing. Now you can see this does lift up, but it's at an angle. We'll have to take hold of this, pull it straight forward. We should be able to dislodge this far enough to remove the air filter. Take hold of the air filter, lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm using a clean rag. I'm going to give this a quick wipe, confirming there's no miscellaneous debris up along where the seal would go. Also have a quick peek inside this area. It's common to have some debris, possibly some acorns or some pine needles. Clean everything as necessary. Now it's time to install the brand new engine air filter. Let's get this in position. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation so the filtering unit is facing down. We're going to slide this into place, resting it along the top of the lower housing. Press it down as far as possible. Now, if you are looking at the lower housing, you can see that we have three small slots. If you are looking at the upper housing on the rearward side, you're going to have three locating tabs that would slide into those. We're coming down at an angle, then we'll roll it into the fully locked position. A gentle twist here, line it up, slide it rearward. Pressing it down. Just a couple light taps here. Take hold of each of those two locks, pull them rearward, confirming that they are over the upper housing. Lift up on the upper housing. It should not separate. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our engine air filter. The next thing you want to do is make your way inside the passenger compartment. Run the vehicle and make sure you have no running condition and no check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.